Last we have seen how to find median for group data. Now we will see mode for the group data. The formula is Z is equal to L plus F1 minus F0 upon 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. L is a lower class boundary, H is the class interval, F1 is the frequency of model class. Whatever the model class, its corresponding to this frequency is F1. F0 is the frequency of previous to the model class. Whatever the model class, its previous frequency is F0, and F2 is the frequency of next to the model class. Whatever the model class, its corresponding to next frequency is the F2, and Z is the symbol for mode. Let's see the example. Compute the mode of the following data. Class and frequency is the given. So now we find how to find the mode for this data. For this data, whichever frequency is the highest frequency, 25, 16, 28, 20 and 5. So 28 is the highest frequency given in the data. Here the maximum class frequency is 28 and the class corresponding to the frequency is 46. 28 is the maximum frequency and class corresponding is 40 to 60. So the model class is 40 to 60. Model class is 40 to 60. The lower limit of model class 40 to 60, the lower limit is 40. So L is equal to 40. Class size H is 20. 60 minus 40 is 20. F1 is the frequency of model class. Frequency of model class. Here 40 to 60 is our model class. So corresponding frequency is called the F1. So 28 is F1. The frequency F0 of class preceding the model class. So 28 is our F1. So F0 is previous frequency, that is 16. So frequency of class preceding the model class is 16, and then F2 is the next frequency to the model class. (20) is F2. Frequency F2 of class next to the model class is 20. So we have all the value L, H, F1, F0 and F2. We put all this value. Z is equal to F1 minus F0 upon 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. So Z is equal to L is 40, F1 is 28, F0 is 16, 2 into F1 is 28, F0 is 16, F2 is 20 and H is 20. So Z is equal to 40 plus 28 minus 16 is 12. 28 into 2 is 56 minus 16 minus 20 is 20 into 20. So this 20 and 20 is cancelled. So Z is equal to 40 plus 20 is 52. So our mode of the given data is 52. Next, compute the mode of the following data: Xi and Fi. Here the class is not given directly, Xi is given, Xi and Fi. So we cannot use the formula which we have used in the previous example. So how can we find? Let's see. For this data, the maximum frequency is 28. Since the maximum frequency is 28, the corresponding Xi is 150, is the mode of the data. It is called the mode of the data. Whatever the highest frequency, corresponding Xi is called the mode of the data. So we have complete the all the method for the group data, how to find mean, how to find median, and how to find mode for the group data. Thank you.